Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new video. I know it has been a while since we've seen each other, but we're about to jump right into this hair video. Right now I'm working with a company by the name of Whirl-a-Style, and they sent me quite a few hair accessories, so we will be doing a few hairstyles here and there using these products, and today I will be using these two. Here on my right, I have the Haute Ponytail Extender, and here on my left, I have the Fashion Obsessed Ponytail Extender. So we're going to play with these two. I have actually done the style that I will be doing today. I've kind of done something along the lines of that style, but I did not have these accessories, so therefore I was kind of winging it, trying to accomplish that look. So yeah, we're going to try that again. It was one of the first videos that I actually did here on YouTube, so it's not that popular, so it'll be okay. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Let's get into it. So guys, because I'm the ponytail queen, it was so awesome hearing from this company because they specialize in hair accessories specifically for ponytails and like French roll styles, like updos, and I absolutely love updos and ponytails. The self-proclaimed ponytail queen. I could actually do the style with my hair, but we'll see how it goes. But I do have my extensions, you know, to the side just in case I want to use those. Y'all know how much I love to use my hair. On a daily, I wear my natural hair, so coming on video and, you know, using my extensions to style my hair, you know, it's really just a lot of fun for me. So yes guys, once you have your ponytail up to the tip top of your head, just want to make sure it's sleek. So I think I'm going to try it with just my hair rather than adding extensions. And I'm going to start with the Haute Ponytail Extender. And the description is: be noticed with a stunning ponytail, add structure and thickness to your ponytail. Prints and designs add fashion. Unique patented design keeps ponytail from falling out. And we're just going to pull it out of the packaging. You guys see the print on it? And it looks like this, so I'm just going to take this from around the button. So it's like this now. And it says for me to pull some of my hair. So I'm going to pull some hair here in the front. I'm going to take it through that hole there. After I take my hair through that hole, I'm going to wrap this around my ponytail. Snap that button once again. Take this just like that. You see the way I basically took it around? And I had to add a bobby pin. Well, they said to add a bobby pin, but I'm just going to wrap mine around the bottom. Interesting. See, if you have a lot more hair than me, this is actually really cute. It's a ponytail extender with a puff. That is so cute. Reminds me of like the Flintstones for some reason. So adorably cute. Let me slick down my edges before I try out the next one. Yes guys, this is a really cute way of adding something different to our natural hair. And it's really easy and quick. front. I'm gonna pull my hair up just a tad bit. And that's it, guys. This is so adorable. That's cute. I will definitely be wearing this. Wish my hair was still as long as it was, then my puff would look a lot better, but I would probably add some extensions just to make sure that, you know, it's really popping, if you know what I mean. But this is definitely cute. So we're gonna move on to the next style. So next up we have our fashion obsessed ponytail extender, and the description is: be noticed with a stunning ponytail, add structure and thickness to your ponytail, texturized to grip hair, unique patented design, keeps ponytail from falling out. And this one, oh, okay, it's made on the same style, just a bit different. It's a different material and it's a lot longer as well. So this one looks like this, and it still has the buttons. I've already undone the buttons, so let's go ahead and take the hair through that hole once again. I'm pretty sure I could probably take like a thinner amount of hair through the hole. And it would make it a lot easier, but hey. I'm gonna pull my hair up. Snap those buttons. Ooh. This looks more like the style that I had done on my YouTube channel before. Gosh. Oh my gosh. I will definitely be wearing this one because I'm weird like that, but I need more hair. So I will definitely be adding extensions. I'm trying to cheat a bit by adding, like pulling my hair up. So yeah, I'm just going to wrap that around. Cheat a bit. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna attach a photo of when I did this style on my hair previously. Oh my gosh. Whirl-a-Style. Thank you so much for this. I just love this one. This is probably gonna be my favorite. I don't know why I like this style. I just do. I just think it's so adorable. Of course, my ponytail will need to be better because I have a hump right here. But man, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this one. What do you guys think of it? It's like a palm tree. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up. That's my style of the day using my Whirl-a-Style accessories. Like I said before, I'll be coming to you guys and randomly doing a few of these styles using some of their accessories, showing you guys how they work so that you can go and check out their website and hopefully purchase a few for yourself, right? Because they have a variety. And like I said, I have a whole entire box full of products that I'm so excited to show you guys how they work. It's just that I have to figure them out myself. They're rather easy. It's just everything is so unique. You know, I'm just kind of like, wow, like what could I do with this? What could I do with that? You know, I'm kind of overthinking it, but this is definitely awesome. This is definitely cute. This is definitely unique. All of the above, and I love it. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to check out Whirl-a-Style.com. See you later. Bye.